What's happening, guys? Here with another episode, Generally TV. Today, what I'll be doing is I'm waiting for the UPS guy to drop off my new exhaust system and my pipe for my KTM 250. I just can't wait till I can get this on this bike. So they said it's supposed to give it a little more power to it, you know what I'm saying, and make it a little more louder. And that's what I'm can't wait to hear it and feel it. But matter of fact, I think it's probably outside right now. I think I just heard the UPS just drop it off because I hear the truck. You know, you guys know when you hear the truck outside and you're waiting for something, you're like, man, that's him. So I think that was him. But let's go check it out. All right, here we go. Let's just hope and pray that they did deliver it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. And this gotta be it. I'm so excited. So excited, so excited. We gotta try to open it, see. Let's get this going. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Oh, yes. It's ready. Here we go. Got this dull knife, or scissors. It's like Christmas. I haven't had Christmas in so long. Ooh. Let's see. Got this secured pretty good. Of course, you gotta have your stuffing. Why do they put so much in here? Okay, here we go. Here's the first. Here we go. FMF. Boom. I guess this is the pipe. So we're gonna go ahead. Put that right there for right now. Now the exhaust system. Jeez. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh, look how pretty this thing is. The exhaust system. Definitely can't wait to put this on. It's called the Fatty. You guys know what I'm talking about. Can't wait to put this on, but I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna have someone else put it on for me. I know I should be doing my own services and stuff like that, but I leave it up to the professionals because I'll probably mess it all up. And then I'll really be crying. But we're gonna open it to see what it really looks like. Okay, we'll open up the pipe first, just to see. It doesn't matter which way, I guess. Come on. Who's gonna cut this thing? Took a long time to open it up. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. This thing looks so beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to put this on. Y'all gonna be there to watch this get put on, or like I can't even sit here in front on that. Man, this thing is gonna really make it sound real good. And my favorite color, blue, of course, you know. But this is real nice. Let me see. Let me open this. Let me just open it. stuff all over the counters. I'm not gonna open it completely, but I'm just gonna cut it so you guys can see. This is what it's looking like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like a trumpet. Wap, 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 wap. Yeah, this is looking real good. Yeah, this thing is gonna make it move. But let me put this back in there. But I have to get my bike serviced. I'm not even gonna say soon, I need it now. So once I get it serviced, I just go ahead and knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. And I'll record it for you guys to see, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. But I can't wait till it just gets put on there. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in the box, hold it there until I'm ready to get it serviced and put on. So I'm going to take a little ride over in the little park that I always do my little wheelies and all that stuff. And you guys are more than welcome to come join me. But just having a little fun just for today. It's nice out right now. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm here at the little field that I'm always doing my little wheelies and stuff like that. I'm gonna just play around in the field, probably even jump this little cliff. You know what I'm saying? Just to get have a little fun, you know. Just ride around in the field. But I'll be recording it from here. So wish me good luck, people.